Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and let's see how we can bypass the DoorDash waitlist. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for DoorDash Customer Support. Click on the top link, which should lead you to the Customer Help Center. Here, you should inquire about your status on the waiting list and ask if there are any options to expedite the process. While waiting for DoorDash to respond, consider exploring alternative delivery apps like Uber Eats or Postmates. Additionally, ensure that your application details, such as your driver's license, insurance, and vehicle information, are accurate and up to date. Completing all necessary background checks and providing any required documents is crucial. Keep in mind that wait times can vary depending on your location and demand. Patience is key while waiting for a response, so continue exploring other options. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.